I would like to request everyone to please rise and give our guest a huge round of applause. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce Dr. Harish Shetty, a renowned figure in the field of psychiatry and mental health. With a profound understanding of the intricate complexities of the human mind, Dr. Shetty has been at the forefront of addressing critical mental health challenges. His academic credentials are equally impressive with an MBBS, MD, DPM, and DCM. He has brought a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the field. Dr. Shetty believes in unwavering commitment to community well-being, as well as he has spent more than 3 decades tirelessly working towards creating a healthier and more compassionate society, with a focus on areas like mental health, spreading awareness on mental health, as well as suicide prevention. Beyond his clinical practice, Dr. Shetty has been instrumental in shaping mental health policies through his roles in prestigious institutions like the National Testing Agency and the Maharashtra Judicial Academy. His dedication to research, teaching, and advocacy has earned a widespread recognition and respect. He is also a polyglot with a deep connection to the Indian ethos, enabling him to reach a vast and diverse audience. It is with immense admiration and respect that I invite you to join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Harish Shetty.
How many commerce students? Oh, lovely. टक्कर equal है, बराबर का है. How many from Bombay? How many from outside Bombay? Oh, lovely, man. Lovely, yeah, my God. India, it's a microcosm. How many from Delhi? How many from South India? Oh, lovely. How many from Mangalore? Only one, my God. But sir, हमारा मैंगलोर का एक का ही दिया तुम लोगों ने. अच्छा, you have a campus at Mangalore, okay. How many arts, Bachelor of Arts, BA, lovely, humanities. How many have come, what you call that, WorkX? अरे बाप रे, 2-2 साल काम किया तुम लोगों ने, चप्पल घिसाया है नहीं? How many believe that the first package builds your self-esteem? First package. गलत हो यार, सच्ची गलत हो. So many parents come and say at the entrance, I go to so many colleges, हमारा बेटा का पैकेज कितना होएगा? मैंने बोला छोड़ो यार, बेटा himself or herself is a package which can evolve, develop and become something very big. That is the first lesson. How many of you believe that your CAT scores and GMAT scores have been awesome? कौनो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Come here, teacher, come here. Come here. Yeah. Are you married? When her husband slipped that ring, where can I see his ring? Yeah. When a husband slipped the ring, he did not ask for the GMAT scores or MBA scores. Success is the cumulative accumulation of knowledge and self, both. Journey has to be both. And that is what success is. कौनो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है इंटरनल असेसमेंट में, सेमेस्टर में तुमको कितना मिला. कोशिश करना चाहिए. You have to try your best and get the best. But doesn't make a difference. You have to constantly keep your antennas open and mine gold from every conversation. Ultimately ना, ये दोस्ती है ना, ये टिकेगी. ये इरा है ना 18 से 25 का, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट का इरा है. वी स्कूल में आए हो ना, पढ़ाई करने के लिए नहीं, अपने व्यक्तित्व को मजबूत करने के लिए. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ, तालियों का वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए. मजा नहीं आया? ये इरा है ब्रेकअप्स का भी, 2-3 होएगा. एक्सेप्टेड, ब्रेकअप्स होने वाला ही है, ये ऊपर वाले का देन है, क्योंकि हमारी प्रैक्टिस चलना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट 2 or 3 ब्रेकअप्स. नाउ सम ऑफ यू विल से कोई हाइच नहीं है तो कैसे ब्रेक हुए. इसीलिए आज शाम तक किसी को प्रपोज मत करना कल ब्रेकअप करने के लिए. ओके, द पॉइंट आई वांट टू मेक इज you learn how to make friends, you learn how to build teams, you learn how to help people, you learn how to seek help, you learn how to accept people exactly as they are. They may have come from different roots, doesn't matter. Caste can be different, language can be different, states can be different, so many things can be different, color can be different, but the boss कायनात ने तुमको कहा है कि तुम इसके साथ बैठोगे आज. You had to plan, well, when I join Wellington, the girl sitting next to me has to be she. No. Destiny has brought you together. प्रारब्ध ने तुमको एक साथ लाया है. मराठी में कहते हैं ना, प्रारब्ध ने तुम्हारा एकत्र अंडे लाए. अभी नॉन मराठी वाले गुस्से करेंगे. So it's all about friendship, यार. It's easy to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend. It's difficult to get good friends. Invest in friendships. Video. And let's see a video of friendship. It's I'm nothing to do with the marketing thing. I'm not concerned with the marketing. Oh. It's moving. आवाज. Sound.
और एक तेरे बजट में स्नीक इन करे. कोई नेचर से गेस्ट, कोई होस्ट होता है, पर हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है.
एक घड़ी काम आए पर कभी कभी कॉल करे.
कभी कभी काम है और घड़ी कॉल करे. गॉसिप का कोई घूमता फिरता सैटेलाइट, कोई साथ रहे तो फिर भी सब ऑलराइट. कोई एफर्टलेस, कोई फोर्स होता है, लेकिन हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है. चैट रूम फ्रेंड, कोई क्लासरूम फ्रेंड, कोई बाइक पे रेस वाला रूम फ्रेंड, शॉपिंग मॉल वाला शॉपिंग फ्रेंड, कोई एग्जाम हॉल वाला कॉपिंग फ्रेंड, मूवी वाली ग्रूवी वाली हाई वाली बाय वाली टॉप वाली पॉप वाली कहाँ वाली शाम वाली चटी वाली यार वाली
कुत्ते कमीने
एवरीबॉडी सब वाली A to Z.
किन के नाम भेजा रोस्ट होता है.
पर हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है, लेकिन हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है.
My dear friends,
हर फ्रेंड जरूरी है यार.
और हर फ्रेंड से कनेक्टेड रखे एयरटेल, दिल जो चाहे पास लाए.
friendships is the key. भानामती है वो.
जरूरी होता
Others will not understand this. My dear friends, it's all about friendships. It's all about getting together. Some may have 1,000 rupees in their pocket to spend a day. Some may have 300. It's all about accepting people exactly as they are. I'll ask you a quiz question first. Tell me one word answer. I love you बोल के छोड़ देना उसको. फोन हुआ. I want you to complete this sentence. Smile is a sign of. Anybody else? हट के कोई है होगा. Smile is a sign of contentment. Satisfaction. What else? Optimistic. Beautiful. What else? Happiness. Acceptable. Okay. Taking it. What else? एक ही मीनिंग है शब्द का. और क्या? फेकिंग इट. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू आर राइट, बट आई एम द रिसोर्स पर्सन. Maharishi Harish Shetty. Smile is a sign of respect. As I enter the college, I just smile at my friends. I may not know them. I may not like all of them. I may not like their language, their face. I may not like the their God, their religion, but accept you exactly as you are. Somebody said that, accept. Who said that? Yes. I accept them exactly as they are. It's not essential in life to love, respect. I accept him. When you accept him or her exactly as you are, as your classmate, your heart grows. Your heart grows, you become a better human being. And that's also the first training for you whenever you join a corporate, etc., etc., etc. It's ability to work around. Now let's look at what's acclimatize. Teachers, देखो जरा ठीक से. I believe that every student is important. Every student. When I was in college, when I was a father, when I used to take my child during the meetings, some teachers would talk to only some children for a long time. मेरे को 5 मिनट में कटाते थे. तो हमने बच्चे को सिखाया. Tell your teacher, look at her, ma'am, are you upset with me? You don't spend time. Don't go to the canteen and abuse your teacher. Those who talk behind their backs, they don't become good managers. Those who are able to confront feelings, they become great managers. All students are equal. Whoever it is, Buldana, kahin ke bhi, every student is different. Every student can learn. They might be good at some things, they might be good at other things. मेरे को कल गोट बोला, मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आया और चप्पल उठा के फेंकने. Then I understood what is goat. Others may not understand what is goat. No student is born a criminal. Transformation is possible in every child. That's something which is very important. You may have come very different, but when you leave this place, you will get transformed because of lovely teachers. My dear friends, why did you put this, Gita? Deepa, why did you put this? Come on now, take it easy. Huh? What is this RRR stands for in the movie? Pata hai? I have not come to talk about all that. I have come to talk about resilience, relationship and repair. Lauchikta manto Maratita pan. Resilience. You may not have had it when you came back because so many of children have only parents have only one child. How many of you only child? Only child. Itne कंजूस माँ बाप. और माँ बाप ने कहा हम पूरा ध्यान इस बच्चे पर देंगे, जो चाहिए उसको देंगे, पर आखिर में आईफोन ना कहा तो बच्चे का दिमाग सटकता है, मुझे मरना है. ना सुनने की आदत इस जनरेशन में नहीं है. बहुत बच्चे आजकल फ्रेजाइल है, वेरी फ्रेजाइल. रेजिलियंस यहाँ बिल्ड होगा. हाउ डज इट स्टार्ट? हेल्पिंग अदर्स, टेकिंग हेल्प, standing in crisis. Somebody says my mother is ill, I don't know what to do, and I'm far away from my standing with that girl or that boy. That builds resilience. Talking to your parents and asking them how are they? Is it something you can do for them? Being a counselor to your parents. I know they are difficult. First semester का grades आया क्या? बापू हमारे इस कॉलेज में महर्षि हरीश शेट्टी आए थे. उन्होंने कहा बापू कभी ग्रेड्स मत पूछना, मेरा हाल पूछना. It's so important to talk to your parents in a kind, humorous way so that your resilience is built. If there's a crisis at home, join hands, be participatory individual in the crisis. नहीं तुम्हें कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा. नहीं बापू, महर्षि हरीश शेट्टी ने कहा पहले मुझे बताइए. हम साथ में मिलके resilience, you build resilience. When there's a trouble, you don't understand, you have math. Something is there, no? My son also was doing management in some other college in North India. He never understood statistics. He had learning disability. But he went and entered the rooms of all senior students and मुझे सिखाओ यार. जब तक तुम नहीं सिखाओगे मैं इस रूम से बाहर निकलूंगा नहीं. क्या ये एटीट्यूड होना इम्पोर्टेंट है. रेजिलियंस. सबको सब कुछ नहीं आता है, पर क्या है इधर कोई टॉपर्स भी होंगे 12th में, इंजीनियरिंग में, कॉमर्स में. टॉपर बोपर कुछ नहीं है बॉस. ये लेवलिंग फील्ड है. नहीं नहीं अपन टॉपर था, इधर भी रहूंगा, इधर ये तुमको सीधा रास्ते पे लेके आएंगे। टीचर्स बड़े बदमाश होते हैं, इंडक्शन में बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं। जब आंसर पेपर आता है ना, पेन नहीं चलता है, तलवार चलती है। So, but at the same time, when you don't understand a concept, and sometimes skulls become thick on some days. No, Monday morning, skull becomes thicker. घुसताच नाही. Nothing goes inside. Nothing. काहीच अजिबात शिरत नाही. तेव्हा काय करायचं? सरळ जाऊन शिक्षकांना सांगायचं, go straight to your teacher. Ma'am, I did not understand at all. And ma'am looks at you as bewildered, perplexed. This is actually ICSE board English, but I'm from SSC board. I've learned from ICSE board, guys. Some of your ICSE, you know, शेक्सपियर की औलाद है ना इधर. तो, and don't expect all the teachers say, oh, no worry, no, they will not. They are like our mothers. तुम ध्यान नहीं देते हो क्लास में? You don't pay attention. I've really taught this 3 times. तो क्या हो गया मैम, सिखाओ ना. हमारा कॉलेज में महर्षि हरि शेट्टी ने बोला, chase the teachers before you chase your boyfriend or girlfriend. Chase them for knowledge, but have nicknames for them, huh, boss? Nicknames ठेवणे का? ठेवायचं. Nicknames ठेवायचं. My son, I asked him once, how's the principal? क्या वो चिकनी? I said, what the hell? पार्ल्यात. I said, साला तुमको कुछ कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं. We love our teachers. See what is the difference between our generation, your generation? हमारे टाइम पे प्रिंसिपल चलते ना, पीछे चलने, क्रॉस नहीं करने का. आपका टीचर, मैम यू लुक नाइस. अब ये जो है ना, फर्स्ट रो वाले गुड मॉर्निंग मैम वाले हैं, मिडिल रो में हाय मैम वाले हैं, लास्ट रो में हु मैम. The point I want to make is chase your teachers. They can be from every teacher can teach you something new. Never have this bias. Hey, usko kuch nahi aata, isko kuch nahi aata, he's the best. No, everybody is good. Every teacher can teach you something new only if your antennas are open. Mine gold from every conversation. Start building teams. Yeah. नहीं, मैं तो बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर बनेगा. आई हैव टू हैंडल ओनली नथिंग डूइंग. स्टार्ट वर्किंग, कोलैबोरेटिंग. समथिंग ही विल टीच यू, समथिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम समबडी. ये तो हंसती च नहीं है. टीम्स. Relationships means building teams, working together. असच बोलना ताई, ऐसा राग मानो ना. कहा मराठी नहीं आती है, गुस्सा मत कीजिए. कमजोर दिल का हूं, अब खुन्नस से देखोगे तो मुझे तकलीफ होगा. Relationship building teams. These 3 R's will run across your life. And third is repair and reform, which means breakup हुआ तो हाथ धरने का. Don't say I am there for you, I'll write your assignment. वो सब secret lovers होते हैं in the queue. Stand next to your friends. Financial problems, marks गिर गया, कुछ भी तकलीफ हुआ. There are many middle class, upper class families who have a lot of financial problems and they'll not show. Somebody is ill at home, somebody has a chronic illness at home, and all of you will have this turn by turn, you will fall. ये तो गिरना ही है बॉस. 2-3 साल में एक समस्या तो आने वाली है. तब साथ रहने का and train yourself कैसे फिर से उठने का. My dear friends, अरे कैसा लगा? रोए क्या? हाँ, रोए क्या? How many of you cried when you left home? Normal students. हमने कहा कोई फिक्र मत कर, बापू मैं हूँ. तू भी strong, मैं भी strong. Abnormal students. Okay? माँ का खाना. कोई भी हॉस्टल का खाना अच्छा नहीं होता है. ये ऊपर वाले का शाप है. Go to any college, food is not good. अरे I am not making your food यार, but hostel माँ का खाना, अपना रूम, चुप के उसके साथ बात करते थे ना तुम लोग. Mom, don't disturb me. मेरा son ऐसे कहा. Dad, it's my privacy. My privacy, you are violating. I showed him the flat agreement. ये is owned by Harish Shetty and his wife. Because he used to refuse to come and eat with us. There's nothing doing. Families में कुछ rules होते हैं, बहुत कम. And there are many guidelines. कुछ rules खाना साथ में खाना ही चाहिए. Nothing doing. Similarly, eat with your friends. Don't eat alone. नहीं, मेरा किसके साथ भी नहीं जमता है. I was in the group and they were with me. One day they excluded me from everything. And I felt so bad. I felt so alienated. I felt so alone. How to handle this? Number one, go to them and say, यार मेरे से कोई गलती हुई है यार. मैं खराब लगा यार, दुख हुआ. I felt so sad. Then one person, तू much बोध करता है. तू चुप रहेगा ना तो हमारे साथ आने का बहुत much. You'll find the reason. But don't be the victim. जला दो, जला दो, जला दो, ये दुनिया नहीं है. Don't play the victim. Confront and say, what is wrong? Feelings, and that is something which you need to do. My dear friend, guys, how many of you are in this state? कितने लोग हैं इस अवस्था में? हाथ. They're scared. They will not put their hands up because if they put their hands up, they will not get any proposals from the class. Well, this is very normal. Huh? बातें करते रहो, वीडियो कॉल करते रहो, शेयर लोकेशन के करने में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हाँ. And I go to many colleges across the country and they say that we inspire each other when we are away from each other. We inspire each other. We keep in touch. And when we go back from the airport, we go to her house or his house. Before you hug the wife, mother, you hug the girlfriend or the brother. हाँ, रक्षाबंधन है यार. Happy Raksha Bandhan to each one of you. Wish your brothers, sisters, and see that you protect girls in the country. See that what is happening around us should never happen. How many of you are in hostels or flatmates? Partner कितना गड़बड़ कर रहा है. है कोई अभी पार्टनर का मच बहुत है, गड़बड़ है. Who's your partner? Oh my God. Find a balance. When you learn to negotiate, you know what, CEOs are not made in MBA colleges. They are made in hostels and schools. When you learn to negotiate and find ways by which you can live peacefully together, then you become CEOs. If you can't negotiate, you remain managers. If you can negotiate little, vice president. Okay? Upadhyaksha. So, sometimes hostel में पानी अच्छा नहीं, food अच्छा नहीं. यार बनाओ कैसे भी करके. You know what? हमारे ज़माने में भाजी अच्छी नहीं लगती थी, फिर भी हम खाते थे. You might not like, but you will respect the food. अभी तो 2.5 lakh crores का company Swiggy. So you need to learn to manage around teachers, languages. I would request you, don't sit with each other from the same city. Mix यार, सीखो, culture सीखो. दाल बाटी कितना होता है टेस्टी पता है क्या? पराठा कितना अच्छा होता है पता है क्या? लोचा कितना अच्छा डिश पता है क्या? How many have had locha? It's Gujarati is here. It is a Gujarati dish, Surat. How many of you know that idlis are so yummy? Phapda jalebi is my favorite. Mix around, learn different languages, learn different cultures. Don't sit, hey dosti, hum nahi. That's a bad example. एक कोई चिटक के रहने का काय को? Kashala, mix around and mingle. My dear friends, after entering the college, in 1 month you get disgruntled. क्या अपन सोचा था वैसा नहीं रे. कॉमन है फॉर एवरी कॉलेज, एवरी इंस्टीट्यूट, मेडिकल, लॉ, सब जगह. क्योंकि जो दिखता है ना, लाइक द डीपी का पिक्चर और असली पिक्चर में कितना फर्क है ना. डीपी देख के आप थोड़ा आगे जाते हैं 2-4 कदम, है ना. फिर फर्स्ट डेट में क्या होता है, या मैन नॉट राइट. Disgruntlement, it remains across life. ये अच्छा नहीं, वो अच्छा नहीं. Those who blame everybody around in the family and everybody and find excuse for everybody, they become cynical all their lives. They become cynical all their lives. When the father of those two American black tennis players, who are they? Sisters? When his father went to teach them, and he learned about everything in the book. He was knocked and his teeth was broken by some blacks. And what did he say when the girls were very upset and sad? And they said, "Dad, how can it happen to you?" He said, "They're very jealous to see two beautiful girls playing tennis." Reframing things positive. No, yeah, disgruntlement. You can have differences. You can dissent. You can debate. But no condescending talk as far as possible. And that changes your personality, it changes your thinking. It builds coping skills which will be very useful for you in your life. My dear friends, when you meet somebody, you smile, you pay reasonable attention, healthy attention, and you start the vibes around you. It's ultimately the vibes which works. And then you accept the person exactly as it is, known as reciprocal association. Reciprocal awareness, I know a little more about you, you know a little more about me, and I'm happy to be like this. I don't expect a lot, but I'm aware of each one of you. And what happens, one thing which is very beautiful, what I learned during COVID is, if everybody is safe, I am safe. So ultimately it is the community. It's a community. It's when everybody is healthy, we are all healthy. And that is something which is important. So you are reciprocally aware. You accept the person exactly as he is or she is. Caste, religion, language, nothing matters. And reciprocal appreciation. Very important. What is it? Marks upar niche aayenge. One smart guy might feel he should teach everybody. I would do that. I have to get people to teach me. Then I would score a little more than them. Their mothers would say, Harish Shetty को सिखाना बंद करो, अपना पढ़ाई खुद करेगा वो. So ऐसे होएगा. When you get the results, you will have different marks. Or it's nice actually because you will need psychologists and psychiatrists. तुम्हारे गम में हमारा दम. Joking. Appreciation. When somebody scores a little more than you, appreciate abundantly. ठीक है यार, थोड़ा अंदर से जलन होएगा, तूने क्या झोल किया रे, मैंने भी वही आंसर लिखा, आपने भी वही लिखा, ये क्या फर्क नहीं है. What it happens, jealousy is normal, but don't avoid the person. Just go and hug and say, I feel jealous, but हमारे कॉलेज में महर्षि हरीश शेट्टी आए थे, उन्होंने कहा कि अप्रिशिएट करना. It opens your heart. It builds gratitude. When you work, you'll understand that you'll be a better team person. And when you leave the company, you'll get the best farewell. And they will tell you that we love you because you accepted us and it was easy to work with you. We knew where we stood and you always appreciated us. And that is very, we experimented this in COVID. We were all thrown out, all doctors here and there. And we experimented a concept of AAA. Anonymous Abundant Appreciation, which means I hear that madam has done something fantastic and I don't know her. I've not heard about her. I don't know a number, but I'll find a number, find a name, pick up the call and appreciate abundantly. That brings human race together. And this leads to reciprocal empathy. Remember, 2023, we lost. Yaad hai na? So Virat was crying and Glenn Maxwell also started crying and both hugged each other. reciprocal empathy. That will save the world. That will make you better managers. That will bring better output. It's not about looking over the shoulder. It's about having healthy empathy. My dear friends, these 5 things are very important. Remind yourself that, "Chalo yaar, I did so well, but she." क्या करें? साउथ इंडिया के लोगों को भगवान ने एक्स्ट्रा भेजा दिया है. बिलीफ, हाँ, स्टीरियोटिपिकल बिलीफ, मस्ती. तो क्या करे यार, जाओ गले मिलो यार. I still remember when I did not get a job in a hospital, though I wrote the application forms for all the other applicants. और एक जो आया था वो जीन्स, उस समय जीन्स पहन के इंटरव्यू में नहीं आ सकते थे. चप्पल जीन्स पहन के ऐसा है, उसको जॉब मिला. इतना जलन हुआ, हम लोग फिर दूध के दुकान में दूध पीना स्टार्ट किए. 2-4 ग्लास उतरा, तब पता चला यार वो अपना दोस्त है यार. फिर मैंने कहा, तूने क्या झोल किया? What the hell have you done, man? How did you get more than us? He said, I don't know. I said, जलन बहुत होती है, पर कल का दूध तुम्हारे ऊपर. My dear friends, we all get baggage from the past. Some of us may have had difficulties in life, breakups, difficult parents, parents fighting with each other, having different issues with parents, grandparents, a lot of baggage. So if there is a lot of baggage, I see a lot of young boys extremely bright, extremely bold. They're bolder than even Virat Kohli, but somewhere inside, many of us are damaged. And this is a place where you can repair. It can be maybe anxious. You go to your counselor and find out would it come from a story of the past, or is there an anxious temperament which I have? And get it repaired. Family issues, breakups, don't hold on to a breakup. Huh? Love has birth, growth and death. मैंने नहीं कहा, अल्बर्ट एलिस ने कहा. And sometimes rebirth, sometimes mental. How many of you have taken help from a psychologist or a psychiatrist? Don't look behind. Okay. I will not ask you more questions. You're bold to put your hands up. Accept it. And continue your help. Don't stop it at all. At the same time, don't hide it from friends who love you, who can accept you. Huh? Don't hide it and share with them. My dear friends, no bullying. Huh? ऐसे इधर तो नहीं होता है. You know what happens in medical colleges, engineering colleges? Lives of kids get completely destroyed. Okay? And we have this program from bullying to bonding. A bully also needs help. When you really tease somebody, it's because there's something, there's a big vacuum in your life. You have been bullied by your elders. You have difficult stories in your life which makes you trouble others. Probably you are impulsive, but sometimes you could be sadistic, and that also can lead to, we stand by each other when this is happening, and this one of the few workshops we conduct helps our students, engineering colleges and medical colleges. So if there is something very uncomfortable happening to you, could be peers, and it could be your perception, it may not be true. तभी कम्युनिकेट करो, यार तू ऐसा सबके सामने मुझे बोलता है, मुझे नहीं जमता है, खराब लगता है यार मुझे. छोड़ ये सब खराब बात मत सुनो. हरी शटी जो बोलेगा तुम लोग सुनोगे क्या? हाँ, कम्युनिकेट. एंड देन I don't like what you said. I need to tell you this. Please stop doing this to me. I don't like what you said. You're not saying you're a useless guy, you're a B, or you're a A, or you're a C. You are sharing your feelings. That has power. That really has power. And then when things go wrong, don't wait for any abuse happening to you, and see that you healthily, in a very healthy manner, go and see a mediator, an arbitrator, and that is how you need to solve your problems if there's trouble. ऐसा कोई है क्या तेरे को अब्यूज कर रहा है? तू उधर किसको तो देख रहा था, ऐसा किया तूने? नहीं. So if you continue this, You become a bully and you become somebody like this. And let me tell you, in corporates, there are managers who get their sales, but they are big bullies. They believe things will not happen to them. They forget. Corporate justice might not catch up with them, but cosmic justice will. You can't harass people and still live very peacefully. My dear friends, from jealousy to joyfulness. You might love this one girl, your best friend might love the same girl, and she might choose her over you. होता है, some one of the worst states of mind. तू हंसता क्यों है? घायल लगता है. Wounded. How many of you are wounded here? I am wounded. Both hands up. Both. हमने प्रपोज किया, उसने किसी और को प्रपोज किया, ऐसा हुआ है. पर हमने कभी भी आत्महत्या का नहीं सोचा, जिंदा रहने का. इतना ऐसा क्या, ऐसा तो पर कौन, how many wounded? अरे बाप रे, बहुत लोग हैं यार. How did you give them admission? Wounded tigers are better. Come here, young man. You are the closest. Come here. Let me just ask, how did he cope with this wound? Not the wound. Not interested in his story. What's your name, sir? Akshit? Lalwani. So I would want you to tell them, how did you heal your wounds? I don't want to know what is the wound. Yeah. What did you do?
There was a crisis.
I think we respect such sharings and not make fun of it. Okay, yeah.
There was a crisis recently in my family. My mother was recently ill and she went through a lot and I was there with her, but she was having me as her back end. I was supporting her, but that was killing me also. So at those time I chose my friends to trust. I have 2 to 3 friends I trust really good and they helped me through it.
Where are you from? इकडे मराठवाडा का रे. जाऊन बस. How many, who else can come forward? Put your hands up and just come, just walk up here. Anybody else? Oh my God, you got scared. There are many hands. No, either. Acha, you have there also. Anybody can start sharing from there. I'm okay with that. You put your hand and did this. अरे हिम्मत होना चाहिए अक्षित जैसा. Yeah, please come. That lady, please come. And that girl behind also put her hand up, no? You put your hand up. No? Please come. Let us be sensitive to sharing. Each one of us has been through struggle, and each one of you has some stories which may have not healed. Yes, ma'am. How did you cope? Yeah. Your name?
Harshada.
From where?
Mumbai.
Okay.
So I'm still in the healing phase. So I'm trying to meditate a lot. And
Like what do you do? What meditation?
just I hear 2 guided meditations on YouTube. And I just peacefully sit there.
विपासना करता, योग करता.
तसं नाही पण
ठीक आहे. Very nice. Yeah.
वर्कआउट वगैरे करते मी. त्यानंतर for 5-10 minutes I do that. So it's helping actually. And I've been trying to communicate with my friends because I should think of it as a weakness. But
I should not think it as a weakness.
Yes.
And
but I think communicating with them has helped me a lot because they understand actually. So
if you don't mind, can you share the wound? If you can, otherwise no.
no, actually I'm not comfortable.
No
with
problem. Carry on. Anybody else? Thank you. Anybody else? Somebody you put your hand up. No, blue. Yeah, this spectacle girl who's only looking at me, you're staring at me. No? Anybody else? Who's that? Yes, sir. Come, sir. Last. See, it is important to understand you need to do something for yourself. And there's a lot of... Yes, sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Mihir Sardesai.
You are from
Ratnagiri.
Ratnagiri.
So I got
Are you going to get some mangoes for the class?
Yes, surely.
Sure, हाँ, आपूस.
पहले दिन से वही बोल रहा था कि आम लाऊंगा.
हाँ.
तो
आम आदमी के लिए आम लाऊंगा. Yeah, go ahead, sir.
I got diagnosed with diabetes 2 years ago.
Okay.
And at the same phase, my girlfriend broke up with me
Okay.
by saying that I am not lucky for her. Still in the healing phase. I talk to myself more than my friends. I talk to my parents, and hopefully they are very understanding and they guide me through it. So I'm out of it little bit.
Very good. Give him a big clap. Jealousy to joyfulness. Buddhist concept, mudita. How many of you know some amount of Buddhism? How many have read Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar? How many of you know what the life history of Buddha, Gautam Buddha? Okay, how many of you know what is Vipassana? Okay, very good, good, congratulations. अच्छे बच्चों को Mudita is a Buddhist concept. It means sympathetic joy or rejoicing in the good fortune of others. In the Buddhist school of thought, mudita is one of the most important qualities a person can cultivate alongside metta, loving kindness and karuna. I see in corporates, I have a lot of intimate contact with corporates, and you pitch for awards, ET award, this award, that award, and the team pitches, and sometimes somebody gets and somebody would not get. There's a lot of heartburn there. पर सीधा जाके मिट्टी मारने का अरे यार मजा आया मुझे नहीं तो तुझे, and that changes the way you think. My dear friends, he is my idol, one of my idol, and when he was asked, इतना साल आप कोच थे, आपने क्या किया? He did not say we won the Champions Cup, we won the World Cup. He said the connections I made, and that is what is going to happen the next 2 years. The connections, it will last throughout your lives. Somebody will lose a job and somebody else will say, come here, इधर है vacancy, मैं तेरे को अपने industry में लाके appoint करता हूँ. You said something in his ears, in a workshop, and people talk in the ears, that's wisdom. Come here, no? Come. आजा आजा मेरा स्टूडेंट आजा वल्ला वल्ला तिला माइक द्या काय चालते बघ ना. Okay, no worry. Chaurasya.
Yeah.
हम भोजपुर में बोलो?
No. I don't know. I'm from Jharkhand.
You're from Jharkhand. Very
Yeah.
nice. So, Kortha Bhasha, you know Kortha in Jharkhand spoken? No. Pure Hindi.
Yeah.
So, I said in a workshop when somebody whispers, there's wisdom because something comes up and you share. So, I would be very happy, Aishwarya, to what did you share in his ears? I mean, you went so close and.
So actually, I basically said that I'm here for the connections. And like when I came to Mumbai, I was very upset that everything is going just opposite of how I dreamt. Because
What were your dreams when you came to Bombay?
Huh?
सब लोग करेंगे ऐश्वर्या ऐसा नहीं हुआ. फिर क्या हुआ?
Actually, I mean, even I traveled via local, so that was my first experience, and it was not good.
Free massage. Yeah.
It was actually painful.
हाँ.
And then, like, the decision to come to Mumbai was my personal. My family was like, they didn't want me.
इतना दूर मत जा बेटी. फिर?
So it was my personal decision. So whatever accountability, I had to take it myself.
Responsibility.
Yeah. So while I was here, so I was just thinking, what could I make the best out of it? So the connection that I'm making here, my roommate and then my friends, I've got 2 friends, Amya and Srinivas. So like they are very pretty good.
अमया के कान में आपने क्या बोला?
Srinivas के कान में बोला.
क्या बोला?
That yeah, the connections are good.
I'm lucky. ऐसा बोला ना? That. Thank you. Wonderful. Connections. Mark सबको मिलेंगे, job सबको मिलेगा. ऊंचा नीचा. 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 18 lakhs. कौनो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But the connections you make, my dear friends, everyone is safe, I am safe. And that is the philosophy you should apply. Now, my God, I'm going to talk about something new. यहाँ जा बत्तर, पुत्तर यहाँ जा. हाँ, वो ओल्ड स्कूल का स्टाइल मारने का ना, पीछे नहीं देखने का. हम लोग भी करता था. या कम. काय रे तुझं बाकेश वगैरे असं स्टँडिंग आहे. आमचे लोक आम्ही कंगे वापरतो रे. Mohammed, if you're very angry at your mother, okay, she said something which you got upset. She did not understand कि ये बदमाश लोग इतना assignment देते, रात भर सोने नहीं देते उन लोग, और तुम्हें गुस्सा है माँ के प्रति, तुम कैसे behave करोगे उनके साथ?
Honestly, I can't get angry on her because when I'm in fourth, she got a heart attack.
Okay.
From that day onwards, it's very
Okay,
sensitive.
I'm so
to
sorry.
talk
I'm
to
so
her.
sorry. Okay, if you get angry at a friend,
Yes.
कैसे बोलोगे उसको?
To a friend, I can abuse.
कोई बात नहीं, इंग्लिश में अब्यूज कर रहा है, हिंदी मराठी विल बी इन जेल. इंग्लिश में sophisticated, FO.
I can tell once in a
Fish off, fish off. It means fish off. Don't. तुम्हारे जो मन में है वो मेरे होठों में नहीं है. क्या बोलोगे?
It depends on the situation.
एक सिचुएशन बता देना यार.
सर जैसे मेजर प्रोजेक्ट के टाइम पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने क्या किया था कि लास्ट दिन तक उन्होंने रिपोर्ट ही नहीं बनाई थी.
अरे कॉलेज में लास्ट दिन में बनता है यार. लास्ट रात को बनता है. फिर
So and then he just got it from one of the students from IIT Kharagpur report. He just got it copy pasted, and the teacher caught us. So that was.
then you are in engineering.
Yes sir.
हाँ,
in
फिर?
electronics and communication.
फिर?
Then we just got out and I was abusing him. What was this?
But there's a different way, okay? You can share your feelings. यार तेरे पे इतना गुस्सा आता है यार, लगता है कान के नीचे 2 बजाऊं. Normal. Americans don't talk like that. I'm afraid I'm so angry at you. हिंदुस्तानी माँ भी गुस्सा करती है ना, तेरे को मैं पूरी रात ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़ाया, तूने क्या घपला किया उधर, ऐसे लगता है कान के नीचे. Normal mother. So if you live in the realm of feelings, you will be healthy. But if you live in the realm of adjectives, useless, horrible, जो विशेषण ज़्यादा वापरते हैं, those who use adjectives all their life, they don't grow. They don't grow. Those say, I don't like the way you said you did this. I mean, this has put all of us into big trouble. यार, ये नहीं जम, मुझे बहुत खराब गुस्सा आता है यार तेरे को देख के. Normal. क्योंकि फीलिंग से फीलिंग टकराए तो दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे साथ हमारे. When you use adjective, you break relationships. Because nobody is bad on this earth. I'm upset with you, I'm angry with you, I'm sad with you. I'm so happy that you did this assignment, all of us together. I'm scared that we might not do it. I'm jealous that even if we do it completely together, you will score a little more than me. Feelings. And if you use sarcasm, that is what? तेरे बाप का कॉलेज है. तेरा ससुराल है. And those who use tana all their lives, no, they don't grow. They will never get positions where they have to take people with them and make them effective. So be relevant by being in the. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you. And I'm sorry about asking that question, but my best wishes to your mother. Okay. And I love the way you said that after she had a heart attack, you never felt like screaming. And that's a lovely, lovely attitude of yours. Thank you. You know what, my dear friends? Kabhi, no, I don't think you know this well. I think you've forgotten. One man had to pay 250 crores debt, Coffee Day owner. The best thing he would have done was picked up his phone and talked to somebody who would have been alive. Nice man. Sharam aaya usko. Shame is a very difficult thing. Mala lads who are I come from a lower middle class family. I feel very ashamed that my father is not educated. I feel very ashamed that I can't speak fad English in Wellinkar. English is a language of opportunity. Mother tongue is the language of culture. English helps you to fly. Mother tongue helps you to survive. Don't worry, you can learn English. Kaunu farak nahi padta hai. Just because somebody is talking fad English, that would not mean that his concepts are clear. I still remember a story when my son was in KG in a very high-fi school in Bombay. And my teacher said, call your father, we don't understand what he's talking. तो साइकेट्रिस्ट को वाट लगाने में तो सबको मजा आता है ना. अब मैं गया, my wife, Harish, don't shout at her. Please, don't, you behave yourself. You can't fight everywhere in life. Sir, we don't understand what he's talking, which language he's talking. And we believe we have all the answers, but generally we don't have the answers. We just do like this, we sit like this. But मेरे दिमाग में परमात्मा ने एक सेंटेंस दिया और मैंने बोल दिया, My dear teacher, he is speaking Tulu, my mother tongue. Speak to him in English every day. I said, no teacher. It's your job to teach him English. It's my job to teach him my mother tongue. As a child, children can learn 6 languages. And when the teacher speaks English continuously, in spite of he speaking his own mother tongue, children pick up English. And I'm so sad and angry that so many Punjabis speak Hindi but not Punjabi. So many Sindhis talk Hindi but not Sindhi. So many Kachhi speak Gujarati but not Kachhi. Don't forget your mother tongue. Keep it active because it keeps the lobes of the brain also healed. This man was ashamed and he died. If you feel any time, my dear friends, like giving up, माँ कसम बोलता हूँ, come back to your teachers and go to a mental health professional. That one moment of shift can change your life. I'm sure that my teachers here have experienced this in their own work. Yeah, मरना नहीं यार. India is on the threshold of a great tomorrow. Saturday Night Fever का गाना है, जॉन ट्रेवोल्टा का. कौन सा है? Staying alive. Bee Gees, staying alive, staying alive. Ha 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 ha. पर तुम लोगों का ना वो सब नहीं, तुम्हारा BTS. मैं किसी को भी पहचान नहीं सकता. कुंकू, मुंकू, टुंकू, शुंकू. And half of the girls, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. अरे मराठी गाने शिका ना. अप्सरा आली रे आली. The point is, if somebody is down, don't give him advice. Don't say, I don't like you. Please rock the boat and take him or her to your faculty or to your counselor. Please. We have lost so many young boys and girls. Every 35 minutes, one student dies by suicide in India. Every 8 minutes, a boy or girl commits suicide. And you know, sometimes what happens? Breakup किया. मरूंगा तभी उसे समझेगा. कुछ नहीं समझेगा. Bell, कुछ नहीं समझेगा. कुछ नहीं समझेगा वो. माँ को पता चलेगा जब मैं नहीं हूं. कुछ नहीं होता यार, तुमको जिंदा रहना है. This is the most beautiful product of the cosmos. यार जिंदा रहने, कुछ भी हो जिंदा रहने का. नहीं यार, कुछ भी हो जिंदा रहने का. My dear friends, expectations. Hi, some parents say that. हमने कितना फीस भरा है पता है. खून पसीना करके एक करके. All old Hindi film dialogues. खून पसीना करके हम एकत्र आए हैं. You know what? They are not wrong. Their intentions are right. Their methods are wrong. Their method of inspiring you is this. गम सुनाओ, डराओ, तब उनको बताओ.